One of the most important features of iPhone 14 is Dynamic Island. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to get Dynamic Island on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install xwidget. I have put its link in the description box down below. Once it has been downloaded, you have to click on the arrow and click on show in folder. Now you have to extract it. Once it has been extracted, you have to run the setup. Click on yes, next, 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 and click on finish. Now you have to click on continue free. Once the installation is done, you have to download one more thing, Desktop Dynamic Island. I will provide you the link in description box down below. You will have to log in and then you can download it. Once the download is complete, you have to click on the arrow and click on show in folder. Now you have to extract this as well. Once it is extracted, you will have to extract this file again. Now you have to open this folder and copy this folder. Go to documents, xwidget. Now you have to open widgets folder and paste the folder that you just copied. Now you have to open it and run widget. It looks so cool. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button.